Okay, for the new update on Gunship Sequel World War II, so you can see they've changed the gold to gold guns and XP to silver, I think. As you can see right here, they put back the gold ad. So thank you, uh, Fanatic, Philip Fan. I think that's his name. And with that, I think it's still possible to do the gold glitch. With that, you can actually go to the last things there. You can buy so now it's possible to get the Messerschmitt 262 without spending money. You could just watch copious amounts of ads. I'm gonna watch one ad now and see how much gold I get from it. As you can see, for every ad you get 10 gold. It should mean it will take a lot of ads to get there. The K4 and the M262, which are very expensive things. My favorite planes game is the P-39 Aero Cobra. If you hit your 37mm cannon, you one-shot everything you hit. Wow. Boss Service skin, Killer Cobra, Royal Australian Air Force. Killer Cobra 1. You see, there's the Killer Cobra, Royal Australian Air Force. The TZ, I don't know what that means. A53, A5313. See, there's a big boy bomb. You can carry a lot of ammo for the big cannon in the front. 2030 is not good. It's great for hunting bombers, bombers. Stuttering ako. And a video.